Welcome to Ramp Ready Module 1. We'll start with working on our vision for our school counseling program. Our first task is to create a vision statement for our school counseling program. A vision statement communicates what school counselors hope to see for their students 5 to 15 years in the future. You may already have a vision statement for your school counseling program. If so, you may want to see how it aligns to ASCA's definition of a vision statement, especially if you plan to apply for RAMP. So why have a vision statement for your counseling program? Your vision is your destination, a point in the near or distant future. It's your goal for students and what you expect to find when you arrive at the destination. It's where you aspire for your students to be. Your vision statement is what students will achieve in the future, the results you want to reach for, and the impact you want to make. Your vision reminds you what the difference you make for students will look like, what change will happen for students. Vision keeps you on course to fulfill your purpose. To start, review your beliefs about students, families, teachers, and the educational process. Unexamined beliefs often lead to behaviors that communicate judgment or bias towards students. For example, it can be easy to assign responsibilities for a lack of student progress to people or circumstances beyond our control, such as a lack of parental involvement. Private beliefs about why parents are not involved may influence our willingness to try and have an impact on it. Do we believe it's because parents don't care, or because of work demands that limit parents' time and energy, or because of a cultural belief that school knows best and parents shouldn't interfere? Similarly, your belief about the necessity of parent involvement in the success of students, whether it's required, not required, or somewhere in between, might affect your level of hope regarding helping students achieve success without it. Think about the mindsets in the ASCA School Counseling Professional Standards and Competencies. These are the core beliefs that school counselors should hold about student achievement and success. Next, look at your schools and district's vision statements. You'll want to link your counseling program's vision statement to these. If your school or district doesn't have a vision statement, that's okay. You want to make sure your counseling program's vision statement describes the future world, 5 to 15 years in the future, where best possible student outcomes are achieved, and aligns with your school's vision statement if your school has one. A few tips as you write. Describe what you hope students will become after they graduate. Focus on the future, writing it as if you are already 5 to 15 years in the future. Focus on positive results for your students or the best possible outcomes. Use active voice as you're writing, using present tense verbs, again, as if it's already true. And make sure it reflects your own beliefs. If you have ASCA's implementation guide, you can find examples of vision statements from elementary, middle, and high school counseling programs. Here is one example from the guide. Finally, vision statements should be shared with administrators, teachers, and stakeholders. Think about how you'll communicate your vision statement with everyone. Can you include it on your web page or in your communications such as newsletters, meeting agendas? Can you display it in your office? Here are the tasks that you'll be completing to write and create your vision statement. You'll enter or copy and paste your school's vision statement if you have one. You'll enter or copy and paste your district's vision statement if one is available. You'll write and enter your school counseling program's vision statement. And finally, you'll complete the reflection items for the vision statement. Thanks for viewing this video on vision statements. As always, we are available for individual support through email, phone, text, or online with Zoom. If you need support, just reach out to me by calling, texting, or emailing me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org.